I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the Apple Watch Ultra face down on a soft cloth to protect the screen. Press and hold one band release button while sliding the band sideways. This moves the latch out of the slot. You'll feel a light click when the latch frees. Once one side is released, repeat the press and slide for the other side. Do this deliberately so you don't bend the band lug. Controlled pressure prevents accidental damage to the rail mechanism. Now you remove the band by sliding it straight out along the rail. Don't angle or force it. Once free, inspect the metal rails and case groove. Small dirt or lint can block the latch. If you see grime, dab a 70% isopropyl swab and gently clean the groove and rail, then let it dry. Once clean and dry, align the new band rail with the case slot. Make sure the decorative side faces out and the band logo is upright for correct. Slide the new band straight into the slot until you hear a distinct click. That click confirms the latch engaged. Once both sides click, flip the watch and tug each end gently to verify a secure fit. Put the watch on and adjust so it's snug but leaves about 1 finger of space for comfort and sensors. If a band doesn't click, don't force it. Press the release and reseat the rail. Clean any debris, then try again. A sticky latch is the most common issue and usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.